6th edition of the Global Environmental Outlook, GEO. The report is prepared by the United Nations Environment Programme. A report 6 years in the making from the UN's Global Environment Outlook, GEO, revealed a quarter of all premature deaths and diseases worldwide are due to pollution and environmental damage. India could save trillions in healthcare costs if it implemented policy initiatives consistent with ensuring that the globe didn't heat up beyond 1.5 degrees Celsius by the turn of the century. Related information. Paris Climate Agreement. It is an agreement within the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, dealing with greenhouse gas emissions mitigation, adaptation and finance starting in the year 2020. The agreement was adopted by consensus on the 12th of December 2015. The contributions that each individual country should make in order to achieve the worldwide goal are determined by all countries individually and called Nationally Determined Contributions, NDCs. India was 62nd country to ratify it.